Hey guys, it's Joe, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY tumbler room decor. I think this is by far the most colourful DIY I've ever done. I'm literally a new person, so definitely like it. I've actually been gone for about 4 weeks and I just felt really unmotivated and just needed the break. So I'm really sorry about that, but I'm back now and ready to make really good videos for you guys. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up so I know. I'll be filming a room tour very soon. So if we get 2,000 likes in the first day of this video, I will be filming a room tour. So definitely pause the video right now and quickly go down and give it a like. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and join the Anaconda crew. You do not want to miss any summer videos I do this summer. And don't forget to click the bell so you're notified for when I post. Also comment down below your favourite DIY that I made in this video. I would love to know, and if you recreate anything, definitely post it and tag me. I love to see your recreations and I will definitely be following you guys. If you guys ever struggle with buying supplies with your own money, you can download an app called appbounty.net where you basically make free money. It's legit and it works. You just download apps, you get points and you redeem the points into gift cards. So definitely go and check that out. Use my code Joe if you want extra points. I'll have a link down below. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So to make this We Can't Stop frame, you will need some paper and a photo frame. So I went on Google and searched Summer Tumbler Sea and just loads of really nice tropical pictures came up and the sea is like crystal clear and it's just so nice. So I just browsed through lots of them and finally found my favourite one, and I love this picture and this will make me just so motivated for summer. Put that into PicMonkey and typed out We Can't Stop in the font Bebas New. Then after you've done that, if you need to change the size of your picture to fit your frame, do that. But then I just printed it off onto some paper, put it in my frame, and then I hung it up above my computer. And this just makes my desk look so much more tropical, colourful, and it just motivates me. I was starving till I tasted you. To make this colourful palm leaf mouse pad, you will need some paper, glue, scissors, and a bit of cork for your mouse pad, or just like an old mouse pad you can stick paper over. I went on Google again and typed in colourful tumbler palm leaves background. So I just searched through that. Then I also put the word neon in it just to see if I got any other searches, and I found the nicest neon pink and blue palm leaf picture and I was like, that has to be it. So what I did, I just printed that out onto some paper. You can use sticker paper if you wanted to, it would be easier, but I use normal paper. It's just a lot more convenient if you don't have sticker paper. My old mouse pad was just really ratty and horrible, so I changed that out. I just cut a circle around the palm leaves to fit my mouse pad. Then I just put some Elmer's glue on the mouse pad, stuck the palm leaves down, and then you have a really nice colourful mouse pad. And I actually love this, guys, and when do I actually have colour in my room? Never. So this is a massive deal. Didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. You say you can't live without me. And finally, to make these pink ombre flamingos, you will need some paper, card, scissors, an X-Acto knife, and some pink spray paint. I just went onto Google and searched flamingo silhouette. Then I found the silhouette that I wanted and I actually printed out 3 of the same flamingos but in different sizes, as I wanted them to vary in size from like small to big. I printed that out on paper, and to get the outline I then got a really sharp pencil and put card underneath it, as I wanted the flamingos to be card. Then I just traced it really hard so marks went through on the card below it. Drew that and then cut that out. If you have an X-Acto knife, it will be so much easier to cut out the small bits, but you can also use scissors. After all 3 were cut out, and then I got some neon pink spray paint, and this is the first time I thought I would say this, guys. I have never owned anything pink, so this is just a new me. I then sprayed them in ombre. I basically just reversed the ombre on one of the flamingos just so there was one odd one out. You guys probably have seen my old DIY of this. If you haven't, I'll link it down below, but I just thought it's time to switch up this memo board, and I put in the flamingos, and I just thought this gave a really nice colourful summer vibe to like my desk now. Then I just put some of the pictures I already had in there, so one that says get shit done and then an X. I really love this and I just think it gives a nice pop of colour to my room. enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up so I know. If we get 2,000 likes in the first day, I'll be doing a room tour, so definitely go and donate your thumbs. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to join the Anaconda crew, and you'll never miss another video I make this summer. And also don't forget to click the bell. Comment down below your favourite thing that I made in this video, as well as a video that you're dying to see from me this summer. Don't forget to check out @bounty.net to start earning free money. I'll have a link down below. And you can also download my favourite apps. I'll have that link down below too. I just want to quickly say thank you to all my loyal Anacondas and subscribers. I love all of you. You mean the world to me, and I really appreciate your support. I will definitely be doing a giveaway soon, so get excited for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love every single one of you guys. Bye.